on. I have to flip back. Oh, what are we acknowledging? Moving into, with honesty, moving through the Virgo season. Clarify the Seven of Pentacles for me. Acknowledging honesty, Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles, acknowledging with honesty. We have the Queen of Cups and the Queen of Wands. We need to continue to work with the seeds we planted. The Fool, taking a leap. Queen of Swords. Ooh. Alright. I feel like we have been working on our emotional, on ourselves, okay? Our passions, our emotions, our boundaries, and with the Fool here, there's new beginnings for us. Is there clarity on that new beginning, or is that just us? Whoever, male, female, doesn't matter. They, them, non-binary, whatever. Anything else for the Fool? Whew, that's a book. We're not doing that. That's good. We got the Five of Swords and the Six of Pentacles. We're no longer fighting for reciprocal energy. I think that's what the new beginning is. And the Three of Swords is reversed to the bottom. Alright. And we have the Six of Pentacles for the second question. What was the second question? What have I already made more progress on than I recognize? Oh, okay. So I guess that clarifies the Six of Pentacles. I gotta stretch my leg out. I fell asleep. The reciprocal energy, finding balance, making sure that our give and take, that we receive the energy, that the energy we put out, we're getting back, regardless of what it is. Death. What are we looking at for death? What is trying to get my attention beneath the noise? Can you clarify death for us? The attention beneath the noise. Death beneath, or attention beneath the noise. Death beneath, or attention. Attention beneath the noise. Clarify death for us. Eight of Swords and the Page of Discs. Mental clarity. And offers. The High Priestess and the Five of Wands. We're no longer fighting the mental. Oop, just dropped you. Hold on. Alright. Five of Wands. I feel like you're no longer fighting your mental. And the Page of Discs and the High Priestess. Clarify the Page of Discs and the High Priestess one. The Hermit. That's a book. Seven of Wands. You're protecting your peace with the Hermit. Your mental state, the Eight of Swords, and High Priestess. Ace of Cups. That was what needs to be named and clarified and understood more precisely. This is it. Clarify the Ace of Cups for me. Clarify the Ace of Cups for me. It's the Lovers. That was the Seven of Swords in reverse. The Lovers was upright. Why? So we had the Ace of Cups, and we got the Lovers, and then we had the Seven of Swords in reverse. So this is like my lying card, but it's in reverse. And then we got the Emperor card. In reverse. And then we got the Eight of Pentacles, Justice, the Knight of Cups, and the Eight of Swords. So I feel like you're going to get clarity on why someone regarding a situation made the choices they did. And when you get that clarity, whatever happens in that conversation, make sure you fill your cup first. Because no one will take care of you the way you take care of you. I don't know this conversation. I don't know your situation. But take care of you first. That's how I feel. Because everyone's situation is going to be different. Whether they come in with clarity and want to refresh, I don't know. Your situation is yours. You do you.